just like prayer, like gospel hymns that you call in the air. Come down, sweet reverence, until my simple house and rain and rain. Silver, ring like gold, ring out those ghosts on the Ohio. Ring like clear day wedding bells, but with the belly of the beast or the sword that fell, we'll never tell.
I promise to commit the rest of my life to you, to be your forever ski partner, to always make the bed since I'm the last one to wake up in the morning, to always keep your freezing cold feet warm, whether that's when we're hanging out on LaRue in France, hanging out with LaRue in Montana, or wherever LaRue takes us.
I promise to choose you, the man who compels my strength and speaks life into my heart, the best friend who brings joy to each day through a perfectly timed dad joke and has the power to make the ordinary moments magical. I choose to hold your beard back for a kiss each and every day for the rest of our lives together.
You husband and wife. Tim, you make us the bride.
Threw stones at the stars, but the whole sky fell. Now I'm covered up in straw, belly up on a table. Well, I drank and sang and passed in the stable.